Hi, Dr. Revis here with Watch Me Work It. Addition and subtraction according to sig fig rules. When it comes to addition and subtraction, you don't count before you start to do your math. You simply do your math by aligning the decimals. Let's do some subtraction. For subtraction, again, we align the decimals. We don't count. Do not count the sig figs before you do it. You simply align the decimals. So that's 47.12. I'm just going to go ahead and do it right here, minus this. And if I do that, this is 0. So 1. Let's continue here. It's going to be 45.10. And this is 2 places, so that's 45.10. As the next one, let's just go to right here. If we do this one right away, we see where it's going to end. It's going to end here with actually no decimal place. So this is minus 0.03. I'm aligning the decimals here, or at least a position where the decimal will be. I'm not going to add zeros. In other words, this is 132. And I subtract that out, I get 131.97. But this is going to be truncated right here. So that's going to be actually 132 for my final answer. Over here, I have 10.023. So that's 10.023 minus 0.4. Here, if I do this number, I would subtract this out. And when I subtract it, I get 9.623. And since this is going to be truncated to 1 decimal place, I get 9.6 as my final answer. On the other hand, 1,462.0. So this would just be minus 0.2. If I do this math, I get 1,461.8. This is to my nearest decimal place here. So that's it. Nothing to do with that number. It's 146.8. The key is to remember, don't count before you do the math. Simply do the math, truncate, and whatever numbers you're left with are significant. In this case, they're 5, 6 figs. It has nothing to do with the number count here. It just happens to work out that way. In this particular case, it's 2 sig figs. You note there's nothing in here that shows 2 sig figs. All right. That's it. Watch me work it. Addition and subtraction of sig figs.